Imagine waking up on Monday morning feeling genuine excitement for the day ahead. Now look at the reality. According to Gallup, only 21% of employees globally are actually engaged at work. This means nearly 80% of the world is basically checking out the moment they clock in, low pay or long hours. But it's actually something much deeper. When your team is disengaged, you aren't just losing morale, you're literally throwing money in the fire. Today, we're breaking down what employee engagement actually is and the exact steps you can take to ignite a productive, high retention workforce. But before we dive in, let's clear the air. Employee engagement is not the same as employee happiness. A happy employee might love the free snacks and the office dog, but that doesn't mean they invested in your company's success. You can give someone a raise today and they'll be happy for a week, but they could still be disengaged by next Friday. Real engagement is the mental and emotional connection the employee feels toward their work, their team, and the organization. It's about enthusiasm and dedication. It's the difference between someone showing up for a paycheck and someone showing up because they believe in the mission. When employees are engaged, they don't just do the bare minimum. They provide discretionary effort. That means they go above and beyond because they want to. So, how do you actually fix this? There are three massive job killers we need to eliminate first. Patrick Lencioni calls these the three signs of a miserable job. Eliminate anonymity. Nobody wants to be a nameless cog in a machine. Humans have a God given desire to be seen and understood. If a manager doesn't know what's going on in an employee's life, their struggles, their family, their personal projects, that employee will never feel truly engaged. It's free to ask, how's your mom doing? Or how's that home project coming along? When people feel known, their desire to contribute skyrockets. Fight irrelevance. Every single person needs to know that their work matters to someone. The job becomes miserable when you feel like no one's life would be worse off if you didn't show up. Leaders need to help employees find their ray of sunshine. Even in a fast food joint, a manager can remind a team that they are providing a moment of light for a stressed out traveler. If you can't show your team how they make someone else's life better, they lose interest fast. Fix immeasurement. This is a word Lencioni actually invented. It means employee has no objective way to know if they're doing a good job. If success depends entirely on the mood of the manager, the employee feels like a victim. You need observable evidence, whether it's customer feedback or specific behavioral goals. This is so an employee can go home and say, I know I succeeded today. Behind these three, modern workplaces need a structural shift. Hold two-way communication. Engagement dies in a vacuum. Communication isn't just about leadership sending out an email blast. It's a two-way street. You need open dialogue where employees feel safe sharing ideas and feedback. Use pulse surveys, short, frequent check-ins to take the temperature of the team in real time. Prioritize recognition. Recognition is a massive driver for 37% of employees. It's not just about an annual award ceremony. It's about catching people, adding value to others, and acknowledging it immediately. Simple actions like a personal thank you email or public shout out on a company internet boost morale and inspire others to work harder. Invest in growth. If people feel stuck, they look for the exit. In fact, a lack of career development has been the number one reason people have quit their jobs since 2010. Employees want to utilize their strengths and see a clear success roadmap for their future within the company. The secret sauce here isn't a complex software or bigger budget. It's trust. Trust is the foundation of engagement. As Stephen R. Covey said, trust is the highest form of human motivation. When leaders demonstrate integrity, transparency, and compassion, Employees feel secure enough to take ownership of their work. If you don't have trust, all the perks in the world won't save your culture. Why should you care? Because the numbers are staggering. Highly engaged business units are 17% to 21% more productive than their disengaged peers. They see 41% lower absenteeism. They even see 70% fewer safety incidents because people are actually focused on the task at hand. For the bottom line, this translates to a 23% increase in profitability. But it's more than just money. Engaged employees are healthier, have lower stress, and go home to their families feeling strong and dignified. Improving engagement isn't a one-time project. It's an ongoing strategy. It starts with listening to your people and actually acting on what they tell you. You don't need a massive budget to stop the fire of disengagement. You just need to sit down with your team, learn who they are, show them why they matter, and give them a way to win. If you do that, you won't just have a more productive workforce. You'll have a team that actually loves coming to work. If you like this content, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. I will make sure that you receive more management and leadership skill tips in my next video. Become a leader by gathering a treasure of knowledge every successful leader already knows.